Thorangu guteneretia ukabere atongeria mwanya bari Rais William Ruto na munini wawe ni batumite ntumiri cha kubereria nja ciari to baskuru ya Hillside Endarasha bare bagwatikanite na mutino jo mwanki karikarire tigite ane 17 batete oturo. Rais Ruto no ritie kinya uchunkuni bwandene kuthithua kenda kumenya kaumo kamwanki jojo akiongera thirikari gukurukira ministry ya kithomo ikagwatanira na nja iri iringikite na kurungamana cio. Atongeria mwanya kinya ni batumite ntumiri cia kuboreria ciari na baskuru yo gukurukira njira cha mitandao. Anthony Kathenya na Nteto Iji.
Rukirira muthenya umnde ya Kenya baraukire Nteto jia keba thaimo na nusu jia rukire itengo jia wekerekere thia tiane 16 ni batete mioyo kuma na mwanki munene lolo idokire me nyomba jia kumama ya twana twatweje skuru ni ya primary Endarasha yeshigo bunge ya Kieni kaunti ya Nyeri na obula mathama kuthijaga na mbeni yongereka mpaka 17 nyume ya mwana omugo kwa getirito thibitari ni akele kigoro kia umndi nyume ya kuriunga skuru ino munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua nele ditete ana 70 bate kumenyekana na lebali Gachagua kyo ya jari na karibante ino balabala jukiriana skuru ni ino kuandikithia na itengo jao ikalia kiendana balabata kumenyekana na lebali baomba kuonekana.
We still have 70 kids that are unaccounted. But that does not mean that they are perished or they are injured. The word is that they are unaccounted for. We are praying and hoping for the best. I'm appealing to each and every parent who took their child from here to report the same.
What we know up to now is that some of the children tried to escape the tragedy and they ended up being hosted by neighbors and the community around, and so there are some children who are still alive and well, but they are of course traumatized and they are in the hands of those who gave them refuge last night in that early morning.
Rais William Ruto leno mwatongore baingi bala batumite pole jao nyume ya mutino ojo ni alometi tengo jao ekele kuthidio sonkoni na mpwe kenda kamuka mwanki ojo kaomba kuonekana mega mbeni ya Rais William Ruto ekinya yurone tongore bala ngiro skuru ni ino ile waziri wa wekalia Professor Kithure Kindiki na munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua.
As we speak, we have specialized teams here from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. We have pathologists. We have people from homicide. We have people from the forensic department. And all this, we have the government chemist. And all those teams are working here for now. And that is where we are asking to be given time. There will be a lot of work of collecting samples for DNA to be able to match the bodies with the parents. And we are calling upon everybody to cooperate.
But I want to assure you that the government will provide all the information as soon as it is available to us, to the public and to the affected persons. And there is nothing to hide.
Amono wetongore bangi hili olo wali Rais wa kana wandeni ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta muronga mijitiki yangu watanira ndiji Afrika AUC Raila Odinga na tongore bangi ndani na njia dirikali ni batumite pole jao kirinja jia balaba teteana bao kiri karikalili.
Hii ni kitu ambayo sisi wote imetugonga sana kama nchi, na sisi tunawaombea sana wale wazazi wamepoteza watoto wao. Mungu aendelee kuwa nao, and we wish that they get the peace that surpasses all human understanding at this very difficult moment ambao wanajiuliza maswali mengi.
Allow me to ask all of us, we stand up for a minute of silence in honor of the departed and wish the students who are seriously injured and in hospital the very best.
Kiripotera Weru TV, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.